Welcome back. It's time to kickstart your day with a burst of nutritious goodness that will fuel your body and ignite your energy levels. From powerhouse fruits to protein-packed treats, we've curated the ultimate breakfast lineup to supercharge your morning routine. Let's dive into a world of deliciousness that's guaranteed to leave you feeling energized, satisfied, and ready to conquer the day. Oatmeal, the breakfast champion. Let's start with a classic morning favorite, oatmeal. Not only is it quick and easy to prepare, but it's also loaded with fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Research shows that consuming oats may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Plus, you can customize it with toppings like fruits, nuts, and seeds for added flavor and nutrition. Greek yogurt, creamy and protein-packed. Greek yogurt is another breakfast superstar that deserves a spot on your morning menu. Packed with protein, it helps build and repair tissues in your body, keeping your muscles strong and your metabolism humming. Research suggests that consuming yogurt may also promote gut health and aid in digestion. Top it with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious morning treat. Eggs, nature's perfect protein. Studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast can help promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing calorie intake throughout the day. Whether scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a versatile and satisfying morning option. Berries, bursting with antioxidants. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Research suggests that regularly consuming berries may also improve brain function and memory. Sprinkle them over your oatmeal or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious boost. Avocado, creamy and nutrient-dense. This trendy breakfast option is not only Instagram-worthy but also incredibly nutritious. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin E. Research shows that incorporating avocados into your diet may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top with a sprinkle of sea salt for a delicious and satisfying morning meal. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds, big benefits. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, which help promote heart health, regulate blood sugar levels, and support digestion. Research suggests that chia seeds may also aid in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Stir them into your yogurt or sprinkle them over your oatmeal for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast boost. Spinach, green goodness for breakfast. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also low in calories, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Research suggests that regularly consuming spinach may help improve eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Add a handful of spinach to your omelette or smoothie for a nutritious and delicious morning boost. There you have it, the top 7 healthiest foods to eat in the morning to kickstart your day on a nutritious note. Whether you prefer a hearty bowl of oatmeal, a creamy Greek yogurt parfait, or a nutrient-packed avocado toast, these breakfast options are sure to fuel your body and nourish your soul. Remember, while these foods offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized nutrition advice. Don't miss out on more valuable tips for a healthier lifestyle. Hit the subscribe button and join our community for regular updates on wellness, nutrition, and fitness. Together, let's embark on a journey to better health, one delicious meal at a time. Disclaimer: while these foods offer numerous health benefits, it's important to remember that individual nutritional needs may vary. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or dietary restrictions.